Good morning, students. Today we will start a new topic, long and short, and under this topic we will study units of length. After the study of this topic, you will be able to measure and compare the length of different objects and describe the differences in the length of those objects. So let's start. We will start this topic with the help of a story. Here, a girl named Nali is selling things at her father's shop. A farmer comes to buy rope. What the farmer says to Lali? He says, "Can you give me 7 arms of rope?" And Lali gives him 7 arms of rope. But when farmer measures the length of rope, it was only 6 arms of farmer. Why there is differences between the length of the rope? Can you guess? Yes, think about it. In the picture, you can see Lali is shorter than farmer. That's why arms of Lali will be shorter than the arms of farmer. That's why when Lali measured the length of rope using her arms, it was 7 arms of rope, and when farmer measures the length of rope using his arms, it was 6 arms of rope, because length of the arms of farmer is longer than the length of the arms of Lali. That's why there is differences in the length of the rope using the arms. Clear? So these are called non-standard units. When we use these type of units like handspan, arms, paper clips, linking cubes, straw, marker, hands, feet, to measure the length of different objects or different things, these are called non-standard units used to measure the length of different objects. Like handspan. What is handspan? Handspan started from the tip of the thumb till the end of the tip of little finger. That is handspan. And when we use foot span, what is foot span? Started from the heel of feet till the end of the tip of toe. And cubit started from the elbow till all the fingers. So here we will measure the length of the book using handspan. Here you can see one handspan and second handspan. What we can say? Length of this math book is 2 handspan. But hands of all the persons are not same. Feet of all the persons are not same. Then what we will do? We can use standard units to measure the length of things, or we can say metric units. What we use? Metric units, which are universally applicable to measure the length of all the things. Clear? If we use non-standard units, then the length can differ, but when we use metric units or standard units to measure the length of the objects, it will be same at all places. The metric system of measurement is a system that most countries in the world use and agree on. And in science, only metric units are used to measure the length of different objects. Metric unit of length, or we can say standard unit of length, is meter, and Many subsets of meter are like millimeter, centimeter and kilometer. Here in the picture you can see, in this ruler the small lines are showing millimeter and the longer lines are showing centimeter, and this meter is showing kilometer. Clear? Now next, here you can see, if we want to measure the length of this pencil, in which unit we will measure? We will measure the length of this pencil using centimeter. Which unit we want to use to measure the length of the given object? It depends upon the size of the object. Here pencil is shorter. To measure the length of the shorter object, we always should use centimeter. What we use? Centimeter. Centimeter is used to measure the length of shorter objects. And if we want to measure the length of longer object, like here is a picture of cricket field or backyard, we will not use centimeter to measure the length of this field. We will use meter. When we have to measure the length of longer object, we always use meter. That is the metric unit of length, or we can say standard unit of length. Then see in this picture, here if we want to measure the distance from house to school, what we will do? We will not use meter or centimeter, we will use kilometer. To measure the distance from one place to another, we always use kilometer. Which unit we use? Kilometer. In the same way, if we want to measure the distance between two countries or between two cities, we will use kilometer. Clear? Now these are called standard units. And what material we use to measure these things? Using the standard unit, we can use ruler, scale, which we use in our school also, meter stick or measuring tape or tape measure, to measure the things using standard unit, because these are same at all places. Clear, students? Okay. Scale is used to measure the things in centimeter or millimeter. And when we use meter, here in this picture you can see there are two kids and one person. He is a tailor. Here the boy is saying to tailor, I want to make a long kurta, and tailor told him, take 2 meter clothes for your kurta. And when the girl says to tailor, how many meters for a long skirt for me? Tailor told her, you need 3 meter. And in the tailor hand you can see, that is the meter rod or measuring tape. You have also seen at your places or in your school, in your homes, this measuring tape. And when you went to market, when you go to market, you can see these things. When you buy clothes from the clothes shop, shopkeeper have this type of measuring tape to measure the length of the cloth. So tailor will measure the length of the kurta and skirt for the kids in meter. So meter is used to measure the length of longer objects. Clear? So students, what we have studied? Units of length, non-standard unit and standard unit. Under the non-standard units, we have studied hand span, foot span, cubic. But under this, there are differences in the length measure. That's why we use standard unit, that are meter to measure the length of longer object, centimeter to measure the length of shorter object, and kilometer to measure the distance from one place to another. And remember, there are 100 centimeter in 1 meter and 1000 meter in 1 kilometer. So student, hope it will be clear to all of you. Here is a worksheet for you. What you have to do here, some things are given. Out of these you have to see length of which things we will measure in centimeter or in meters. Width of the computer screen, length of a pagdi worn by Sikhs, height of a 1-year-old child, length of a banana, waist of an elephant, height of a sugarcane, depth of a well, height of your mother, distance from classroom to school gate, length of your father arms. You have to tell which unit we will use to measure the length, height or width of these things, centimeter or meter. And in the next worksheet, you have to match with the proper option. Length of an earthworm, which option will be suitable for this? Height of a child, width of your fingernail, length of a sari, and distance from home to school. Thank you, students.